Hello, children. Welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is music dictionary. Our topic is music dictionary. What is music dictionary? Music dictionary is the language of music and the terminology. In today's class, we are going to learn few of them and the meaning. So, number one, piano. Piano means soft. Number two, forte. Forte means loud. Number three, mezzo. Mezzo means medium. Number four, crescendo. Crescendo means gradually becoming louder. Number five, decrescendo. Decrescendo means gradually becoming softer. Number six, mezzo piano. Mezzo piano means moderately soft. And number seven, mezzo forte. Mezzo forte means moderately loud. Lento means slow. Number two, adagio means very slow. Number three, andante means at a walking pace. Number four, allegro means quick, lively, and fast. Number five, presto means very quick. Number six, a tempo means in time after a diversion. Number seven, da capo means go back to the beginning. Number eight, fine means the end. Number nine, a dot above or below a note means to detach the sound. When the sound is detached, the playing is staccato. A short stroke above or below a note means to hold the note its full value. An accent sign means to stress the note. And the last one for today, double bars with two dots means repeat. What is pitch? Pitch is the highness or lowness of a sound. Pitch is the highness or lowness of a sound. Example, number one, do and mi. Mi is higher in pitch than do. Number two, re and so. So is higher in pitch than re. Number three, fa and re. Fa is higher in pitch than re. Number four, la and ti. Ti is higher in pitch than la. And number five, mi and so. So is higher in pitch than mi. Our topic is musical signs and terms. In music, some signs and terms are used to make songs more meaningful. Below are the first set of signs and terms we are considering. They relate to loudness or softness of the piece of music. On the symbol, we have P. The term is piano, and the meaning is soft. On the symbol, we have F. The term is forte, and the meaning is loud. On the symbol, we have M. The term is mezzo, and the meaning is medium. On the symbol, we have MP. The term is mezzo piano, and the meaning is moderately soft. On the symbol, we have MF, and the term is mezzo forte. The meaning is moderately loud. On that symbol, we have PP. The term is pianissimo, and the meaning is very soft. On that symbol, we have FF. The term is fortissimo, and the meaning is very loud. We have crescendo on the term, and the meaning is gradually becoming louder. Then on the term, we have decrescendo, and the meaning is gradually becoming softer. A solo. Solo is a single vocal or instrumental performance. Duet. A duet is double or two vocal or instrumental performance. Trio. A trio is triplet or three vocal or instrumental performance. Quartet. A quartet is quadruple or four vocal or instrumental performance. Ensembles. An ensemble is a small group of vocal or instrumental performance. That is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.